With Easy Peasy Living. Thank you for joining me again for some more Wednesday wisdom. This month we've been talking about ways that you can actually eke a little bit more storage space out of your home. There are lots of different strategies for doing that, and today I'm almost afraid to bring it up because I can just imagine the groans this is going to elicit. But hear me out. This has to do with folding properly. So it's not everybody's favorite chore, I know, but folding really can make a big difference in terms of how much you can fit into a drawer or a cabinet or a basket or whatever it is that you're trying to store something in. First, I want to just explain though that it's not enough to just to fold something. I mean, that in and of itself can make a difference. But what really makes a difference is folding it to the correct size for the space that you're trying to store it in. So let me just give you an example. If you have a shelf in your linen closet that you're storing towels on, how you fold the towel, what shape and size the folded towel ends up being will determine how much you can fit on that shelf. If you fold it too small, then you're going to be wasting shelf space. If you fold it a little bit bigger, then it'll be flatter and you might be able to stack more of them on the shelf. So I hope that that's clear. I know that in the beginning, it's kind of like, well, okay, Valerie, but how do I know how to fold it? Well, that's something that you're going to need to sort of just play around with a little bit. But the good news is that once you figure out how to fold a towel to fit on that shelf and maximize the space there, then you're going to know how to always fold the towel on that shelf. So I think it is worth taking a little bit of time to do that. And not only will you fit more, but usually when things are folded, it's a lot easier to see what's there, to grab what's there. So there are other benefits aside from just creating more space. I'm going to show you an example of this in progress though. I'm going to show you how this works with my basket of dish towels. Okay, so here's an example of what I'm talking about. This is a basket of dish towels, which I have to keep in a cabinet, so it can't be too tall. So I've just got them all, I've just plopped them all in there. I've stuffed in about as many as I can to be able to fit in the space that it needs to go in. And so I want to see, let's just do a little experiment and see how many more we can get in. I counted, there's 10 in here. So let's see how many more we can get in if we fold them neatly. Okay guys, and here's what it looks like after they're all folded. First of all, they look nice and neat. I know they're going to fit in my cabinet because they're not too tall. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 in here. So we got 3 more in here. So that is a 30% increase. So, you know, look around and see where you might be able to just fold things to make your space go a little bit further. And guys, one more thing. I know everybody hates to fold fitted sheets. I mean, this is a struggle for a lot of people, but let me tell you, it makes such a big difference in your linen closet if you fold your fitted sheets neatly. So if this is something you struggle with, I can help. Down below in the description to this video, you will find a link to another video that I did a few years ago that is a little tutorial on how to fold a fitted sheet. It isn't easy, it just isn't, but hopefully that little tutorial can make it easier for you. So give that a try and I hope it helps.